Look, man, Checkmate 007 coming back at you. I'm back in the state, boy, back in his office, back getting it in. We're finna do another Excel video, right? Break-even formula off of episode 12. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna create a custom file just for you. And then I'm gonna put it in the link so you can download it. That's how nice I am. This right here is going to show you whether or not you're really making money or losing money. But the break-even formula is to show you if you break even. We're gonna go a little bit deeper, but check this out.
It's Gangsta Grills, life is like a movie. I die, I organize. Everything I do's revolutionize. I build what's good for the whole damn hood. Study G's like these, really think you should.
Gotcha. Now, this is what we're going to create right here. A simple break-even formula sheet. Now, let's get started. You know what we do. Take the top and merge it all the way over to F. Merge in center. We type in the actual title. Break-even formula. Simple enough. Leave it. I put some borders around it. Thick outside borders. We're going to change the times to Roman. Let's increase it by 18. Bold italic. I wanted to have some flavor. Dash it with a little bit of blue. I like that. Now the first category we're going to do is raw materials. Right, for anything you use to create the actual product. Right, because we're finna mock up a small business with this. Real simple one. We're going to do raw materials too. Let's see what it automatically do it for me. Nah. Okay, so we got 3 raw materials, right? That's for any 3 random materials you use in your product. It can be more complicated, it can be less complicated. But now let's talk about the shipping cost. And then we need a total cost column. And with that, we need total items. How many items we actually got? How many have we made? And we're going to do a total cost of goods. Highlight, double it out. So let's say the first material is going to cost us $5. We're going to be nice. The second, 20. Let's say the third going to cost us $13. And shipping on average, $8. Right, so we need to get the total cost of this. We're going to go to formulas. We're going to use auto sum. So automatically grabbed all that. Let's say we made 20 items. We ain't been lazy, we got a little bit of work in. Now the total cost of goods. Now this is going to be where you start multiplying, we start doing formulas. So you're going to take B6, which is the total cost, times the total items. Very simple. Tell you how much money you've spent to make the goods. 920. So we're going to come over here. And we're going to do average price of goods. Well, the average price you're selling the goods for. Because you always got to do a markup or you're going to lose money. Let's say we're selling each item for $75, right? I think that's about an 80% markup, just ballparking. Let's do the break-even amount, because we know how much we spent. So that amount is what we need to break even. We're going to do a simple, what is that, B8? Simple. Then we're going to come down here with the amount of items sold, so we know how much inventory we've already got rid of. Let's do 15. We've sold 75% of the product, but we're going to do a formula to represent that. Right? Percentage of items sold. Okay, and that's going to be E4 divided by, let's see right here. Did he put items as money? Oh no, we have to change that. Home. We need that to be just a number. This needs to be in a percentage. Okay, percentage of items sold. Now we need gross revenue, right? That's before Uncle Sam get ridiculous. And this one is going to be simple, right? This is going to be E2. I thought not E2. This is going to be F2 times E4, right? The average price of goods times how many items we sold. That's going to give you the $1,125. Let's put it in numerical with the money. Let's come down here. Net profit or loss. And this right here is going to be a simple F6. Subtract it by the break-even amount. We're going to know if we made any money. If we made more money than we needed to break even. If not, we still at a loss. We got to get it grinding. Now this is the break-even item count needed. This is what you get for real with the break-even formula. You get the actual number of how many items you need to sell to break even. Now to do this, we need the amount, which is right here. We need the total cost of goods, and we need to divide it by the average price of goods. Let's take some of these decimals out. So we need to sell about 13 items. You always round up. We can't sell part of an item. But look, let's do a little bit of extra today, right? So we got a net profit or loss of $205. How much did you pay yourself? First, we need the hours worked. Let's say you did 20 hours. Just 20. Now, we pay per hour. Let's talk about it. That's going to equal what? The amount of money you made divided by the hours. Well, we get $10.25 an hour. So that means we need to grind harder. Now this is just a simple breakdown right here. Now let's put some colors on this so we can talk about it. You got to know how much you are paying for your product. That's one of the things I don't see people understand well enough. They keep excluding the amount they pay for, the amount they pay for these items before you sell them. Bring this back to black. And total cost of goods. This is your upfront investment that you're trying to make money off of. Average price of goods. The percentage of items sold. Gross revenue. Net profit or loss. This is the magic number right here. Magic. This is the break even actual amount that you need to know. Now let's go hours worked. Oh, that's too dark. Pay per hour. How much you get paid per hour? $10.25 on your grind. Now this can always get more complex with more analytics. What's the actual cost of the materials? Because that's not static, it's dynamic. It's always changing, especially with the inflation we have in the industry. But this is the basic setup for how you would understand whether or not you're really making money. Are you losing money? Are you really in business, or is it just a glorified hobby? Well, let's do one more thing. I don't like this font. For so hard at seeing. Let's get back here to 20. But yeah, man, that's it right there. The break-even formula. You know what I'm saying? I got more to come, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting better at them. You know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, share. Look, I'm going to start doing financial consulting soon. Look forward to that coming out. Your boy just got back from Nigeria. Look forward to that video. I cannot wait to tell you how lovely it was. But man, Checkmate 007 out. Like, subscribe, share. I'm out.
I die, I organize. Everything I do's revolutionize. I build what's good for the whole damn hood. Study